Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is attempting another breakout to the upside after we continued to hold within our key area of support between the 0.5168 and the 0.4855. At the time of this recording, we are also attempting a break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. And we also need to see a break above the $0.6, which is our next key area of resistance. And on today's update video, I will be giving you the most significant key areas of support that we need to continue holding above, and also my breakout target areas, basing my analysis on the additive structures. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 1-hour chart, I believe that the bounce that has been playing out from yesterday's lows that we made below the 0.4949 is obeying the additive structures, where we have now peaked in the formation of these wave 1, and whatever has played out over here was a corrective structure in an additive count 2, and there are chances that we could have a low in place for that wave 2, and in the next coming hours there are high chances that we are going to see a breakout to the upside in an additive count 3, then expect a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in an additive count 5. And to just see whether this second wave fully maximized the minimum target areas for the second wave, we can use the Fibonacci's, connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618. We can also extend that to the fib level 0.382, where you can all see that we have seen a pullback getting a reaction on the fib level 0.382 in what could be the start of an impulsive additive count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.6938, and that is my next target area once we manage to break above our key area of resistance above the $0.6, flipping it back into support. And once we peak to the upside in this 5-wave structure over here, I believe that additive structure will be completing an even larger additive count 5 over here, and that is part of this additive structure that I have on the charts highlighted in blue, and that is better seen on the 4-hour chart. So jumping to the 4-hour chart, you can see that from the lows that we made on the 4th of November, we first peaked to the upside in an impulsive additive count 1 in a move that peaked above the 0.45. Then we saw a corrective structure in an additive count 2 into the minimum pullback target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside in an impulsive additive count 3 in a move that peaked above the 0.6211. And yesterday we saw a bit of a corrective structure in an additive count 4 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area. That is this yellow target area, an area that we have now fully maximized and is now giving us a reaction to the upside in what I believe is the start of an impulsive additive count 5 right here in blue. And because of the impulsive nature of that wave 5, I have also been expecting to see this 5-wave structure playing out within that wave 5, and the minimum target areas for that larger additive count 5 can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of the wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that additive count 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is above the 0.7229. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Polygon Matic chart on the short term and also on the long term. And the 0.65 and the 0.72 remain to be my next breakout target areas. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.